can't even believe you just turned on right now, to be honest. So this might not even be an episode, but welcome to it if it is. This is 1/4 of a high school in Gwendolyn. Oh, and there's this open field. Let's see how far 11% gets. It's crazy. We'll just see. Sorry, I'm on my way home. Just watching the kids right now, cashing in all my husband points. Stocked them up for a long time. It was a long pregnancy. It was a fun time. It was a fun time. But as Bill Bear says, like, you get that 6-week mark, and then they're like, I'm done, and you're looking at the calendar. Honey, I want the best for you, but she is there right now. Face only a mother could love on that car. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, I'll shut up. But it's gonna be worth it over this hill, okay? I hope this battery holds. Oh my gosh. I just keep checking that red light and just like please be there. Please be there. Then I'm like, do I need to cut it? If it cuts out, is it gonna lose it? Oh, and then I swear the blinks aren't going at the same time. Like they're different times. Oh, that one took forever. I thought it was this hill. The next one. I'm sorry. You gotta hold on, baby. Oh wait. Oh wait. I don't know if this will charge you fast enough, but it's better than nothing. Breathe. Breathe, damn you. Breathe, keep breathing. Come on. Oh yeah, the light's on down here. I know you're getting juice. I know you're getting it. I know you're getting it. Getting it. Getting it. Come on. Oh, Gwendolyn just killing that hill. I'm saying, Gwendolyn's a lady. Gwendolyn is a lady. Someday. Yeah, someday. Am I calling something epic? I hope I'm calling something epic. I hope people are looking back at this moment like, oh shit, fuck, he knew. It's like, I don't know, but I want to do it myself. Okay. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. Oh no. And it's going in the episode. Oh, my wife is going to rub that in my face. Shit, and I'm just going slow. But look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm paying for this in more ways than you guys even know. Oh. It floods to that, by the way. Fucking look at that. I'm going the speed limit, so. Okay. Call it quits. Because I don't trust that battery. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Okay? I don't trust it. I don't trust it.